Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 5 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is data and the graphs. Here are the list of the lesson that is read a table, interpret the line graphs, create the line graphs, interpret the bar graphs. You can find all these lessons on aplusstudent.com. On A Plus app, you have to log in by using their email and the password. You can find all these lessons on A Plus website. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there, scroll down to the grade 5. Here are the list of the chapters regarding the grade 5. So we are on the chapter that is data and the graphs. Open this, let's continue. And here is the first lesson that is read a table. So look at here. In the very first question, they are saying that I am a biologist interested in the sleeping pattern of felinus in captivity recorded the number of the felinus in each zero. Felinus in zoos are given. Zoo is southern, central, eastern, northern, and the western. Leopards are given that is 14, 7, 18, 16, and 19, and the tigers are given which is 18, 10, 19, 13, and 2. So how many tigers than the leopards does the southern zoo have? So we are first of all interested in the southern zoo and then check it out how many tigers than the leopards. So tigers are 18 and the leopards are 14. So if they are saying that you are going to check how much is more tiger, so we are going to subtract tiger over the leopards. When you are going to subtract 18 minus 14, then in this way you get the answer that is 4. Okay. For an economics projects, Dalton determined the cost of ferry rides of the bicycles and for the bicycles and the cars. So the ferry fares are given that ferry is Settled, Bramerton, Buccleuch Clinton, then Southport, Fort Fishers, then the Ocracoke, then basically the bicycles are given and the cars are given, and then the last one is the Fauntleroy Vashon. $8, $5, $2, 3 and 5. Again bicycles. For the car it's different. It's 12, 7, 5, 15, and 15. So which charges less for the car? The Ocracoke ferry, the Southport Fort Fisher ferry. Okay. Which charges less for a car? So let's interested for the car and for which one? First we check the Ogra ferry that is 15 or the Southport ferry that is 12. So which cost is less? We are interested in both the first of all we see the Southport that is 5 and the Ocracoke that is 15. So the less is Southport. Okay, we are just only interested in this one. A food industry researches the compiled the revenues of the several pizzeries. Okay, Restaurants are given, then the cheese pizzas and the vegetarian pizzas are given. Okay, pizza sales are given in the restaurants. This is New York, then the Dan deep dish, the real Chicago. About from the cheese pizza sales. So first of all, we check the taste of the New York. It's in the fourth one, and then interested from the cheese pizza, that is $6. Okay, and here is we getting the answer. So here we go to the test questions. Dr. Chain, a zoo director, researched the ticket prices at the other zoos around the country: Los Angeles, Bronx, and the Houstons. Adult is 13, 15, and 10. Child is 8, 11, and 6. How much does an adult ticket How much does an adult tickets to the Los Angeles Zoo cost? We are interested in the Los Angeles Zoo and only for the adults. When we see that, so what are the answers for that? Everyone tell me in the chat. Everyone tell me in the chat. Los Angeles, how many for the adults cost ticket? Okay, that is $13. So let's go with the $13 because in the Los Angeles that is the first one and adults is the first one, that is 13. It's the right answer. Okay, so here a biologist interested in the sleeping pattern of the felis in captivity recorded the number of the felis in each zoo. Zoos are given that are southern, central, eastern, northern, and the western. How many more tigers than the leopards does the southern zoo have? Okay, leopards are given and the tigers are given. So how many more tigers than leopards does the southern zoo have? So we are interested in the only the southern zoo. The number of tigers are 18 and number of leopards are 14. You are going to subtract 18 out of 14 and then check it out the answer. So 18 minus 14, when we see the answer, that are 4. 18 minus 14 are 4. Okay, and this is the right answer. So now here Toby's Candies have been studying how much the chocolate peoples have been eating in the different countries. Austria, Sweden, and Switzerland are given. 2002 it's 8, 8, and 11. In 2005 this is 9, 7, and 10. So in 2002 you are interested in that column. How much more chocolate did the Switzerland consumes? So Switzerland per capita than the Austria. Okay, Switzerland we are interested, and Austria. Okay, and we are interested in the 2002. So Austria is 8, Switzerland is 11. So how much more chocolate did the Switzerland? It means that 11 minus 8. So when you're going to subtract, what's the answer? Everyone tell me in the chat. What is the answer? You get it? 11 minus 8. That is 3. Philanthropic organizations compare the amounts of money that its members donated at certain causes. Persons are given Halle, Owen, Kendrick, Dustin, and Austin. Cancer researchers are given 14, 9, 7, 2, and 17. Hunger preventions are given 8, 7, 14, 15, and 6. Who donated the most money to the hunger prevention? Who donated the most money for the hunger prevention? We are interested in the last column. And they are saying that Dustin, first, it's on the fourth one, that is 15. Kendrick, it's 14. Austin, it's 6. And the Holly, it's 8. So, who donated the most money? 15, 14, 8, or 6. It means that 14. The Dustin is giving the more donation as compared to all other. So, we are interested in the Dustin. Okay. For an economics projects, Noah determine the cost of ferry rides for bicycle and the cars. How much does it cost to take a car on the Southport Fort Fishers ferry? So you are interested for the cars and for the which one? Southport Fort Fishers that are $5. It's given. It's on car and it's on $5. So you are interested in the $5. So here we go with it. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself, okay? Interpret the line graph. All right. A restaurant average food preparation times was tracked from the day to day as part of an efficiency improvement program. Number of days are given in the x-axis. Okay, this straight line is called x-axis where it's written x. And on the y-axis, it's food preparation time that is in the form of minutes. Days are given Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Sunday, Wednesday. Okay, and the time is given from 0 to 60 minutes. Did food preparation time increases or decreases between Friday and Monday? First of all, we are interested in the Friday. This is here, and on the Monday it's here. So, at which point the food, you can say that a preparation is increases or decreases. Okay, decreases on the Friday, increases on the Monday. That's it. So, this is the food preservation increased between Friday and Monday. They are saying that it's increase or decrease. This is the lowest point, this is the highest point, so it's moving from lowest to highest, so it means that it's increases. Okay, let's suppose here I'm going to tell you this is the graph. Here is basically the graph. This is on x-axis, that is y-axis. Okay, for example, number of year is given. This is from 1990, 1995. It's on 2000, 2005, and 2010. Okay, now here population is given, or you can say that number of year is given, and thing which is given the food preparation in these years. Okay, like for example, here is the food preparation which is given on the y-axis. It's on, basically you are going to start from 0, then 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. And your graph line is given from 1990 it's on 40, 1995 it's 60, 2000 it's on 80, 2005 it's on 20, and 2010 it's on 0. Okay, this is the line of the graph which is given. The graph line is given here now. Okay, this is the graph line. Now we can see that. Check it out. If they are saying that find the rate of the food preparation between 2000 to 2005, what is the rate of this? Where is the 2000? It's on here. And where is the 2005? It's on this one. So we are only interested in that area. We are interested on this area only. Okay, we are interested on these 2 points only, these 2 points. So when we see these 2 points, look at here, these 2 points. It's from increasing. This is the top point, that is increasing point. Am I right? This is increasing point, it's on the top, it's increased. And here it's the lowest point, it's decreased. So when it's moving from 2000 to 2005, so it decreases like this way. So you can say that it's a decreases from 2000 to 2005. Okay, this is the main point that we interested in this. You are going to check like in that one graph is increasing or decreasing quality. Okay, here is the thing that we have done in it. All right, hope you guys understand this one. And now if I'm going to say that when you're going to interested from 1995 to 2000, like now you are going to move from 1995 to 2000, this one. In this column, now you're going to interested this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Now you're going to interested in this column from this point to this point. Now look, this is a decreasing point. Now it's moving in the form of increasing, so here it's the increases. And from here it's decreases. Okay? This is the way that you are going to check in all of it, like in which way your graph is moving up, and your if your graph is moving up, then it means that it increases, and moving down, it means that it decreases. All right, like for example, let's do some test questions, then you're more able to understand. So here is your question. In trying to calculate how much money could be saved by packing the lunch, Grayson recorded the amount he spent on the lunch each day. So the days are given: Thursday, Wednesday, Sunday, Friday, Tuesday, Monday, Saturday. Okay, and the amount spent are given. It's from $0 to $10. And these are some points, like on Thursday it's $9 cost, Wednesday it's 2, on Sunday it's again 2, on Friday it's 5, Thursday it's 2, Monday it's 7, and on Sunday it's 10. How much did the Grayson spend on the lunch on the Thursday? You are going to check on the Thursday thing. Okay, so where is the Thursday? From the first one, it's on $9. Okay, so you just see that on Thursday it's on $9. Where's the dot lie? It's on the $9. Okay, so you go with the $9. Here we go with it. Okay, let's suppose if I'm going to say that what is the amount of the 1995, you are going to write this one, it's on 60. What is the amount of the 2000? It's on 80. Okay. And what is the amount of the 2010? And this is on the here 20. This is the thing that we have done in it. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Mr. Carroll host an annual art contest for the kids, and she keeps a record of the number of the entries each years. Years are given 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And number of entries are given. It's from 0 to 70. How many more entries did the art contest have in 2014 than in 2012? So check it out. 2014, it's on 50. 2012, it's on 30. So how much more? 50 minus 30. So what's the answer? It's 20. So 20 more. That is much more entries in the 20s, and we can go with it. Okay, now you check it out this one. Then tell me the answer. In a report on hunting, a wildlife organization cited the number of deer per square mile. Years are given from 6 to 15, and per square miles are given, which is from 0 to 50. Now, what was the deer population density in 2015? Check it out where the point lie from the 2015. And then tell me the answer in the chat. Everyone check it out. This is so easy. So what's the answer for that? It's on 40. Okay, for the 2015 it's 40. Let's check with it. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, it's 40. So hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. First you practice the lesson, then you go to the test, okay? Now create the line graphs. So look at here. A bakery recorded how many cupcakes it sold in the past 3 days on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Sunday given on 10, Monday it's on 40, and Tuesday it's on 20. Which table shows the same data? Let's see. Let's check it out. It's on the Sunday is 10, Monday is 40, and Tuesday is 20. First is not. Let's see the second one. Sunday on 10, Monday on 40, and Tuesday on 20. Yes, the B one is same, just like it. Okay, now see. The players on the quiz show received the following scores. Zach, this is 60. Roland, it's 60. Devon, it's 80. What was the Zach scores? Points. Check it out and then tell me. Everyone check in the chat. And oh, sorry, everyone check it and then tell me in the chat. Do it fast. It's on. Zach is. How much the Zach is? That is 60, okay? Alright, so look at here. A part of the project for the health class that surveyed the local delis about the kinds of the sandwiches sold. Shops sandwiches sales are given. Shop is City Cafe, Sandwich City, the Joy's Dinner, the Sam's sandwich shops. Roast beef sandwich and the turkey sandwiches. Okay. Which bar graph shows the same data? Okay, let's see it. Number of sandwiches are given 0 to 80. City Cafe. It's 20 for the roast and 70 for the turkey. It's right. Then the Sandwich City. It's 20 same and 60. This is also the same. Now for the Joy's dinner, it's 40 on the roast beef and 80 on the turkey. 80 on the turkey. This is right. Then the Sam sandwiches shop 90 is on the roast beef and 80 is on the turkey. This is right. This is all right in the first option is right for all of it, okay? We see that. A family beach day. The Princeton Recreation the department offered a range of activities. Family beach days given activities are given making sand castles, playing volleyballs, swimming, eating lunch. The parents are 50, 40, 30, and 30. The children are 10, 80, 30, and 90. Which graph shows the same data? Check it out in the first one. First, we see the first one. The parent representing the orange color and the child representing the green color. So, making the sand castle, it's 50 and 10. This is right. Playing volleyball, it's 40 and 80. 40 and 80, this is also same. For the swimming, it's same, that is 30 30. It's on the same two lines, the orange and the green 30. The eating lunch is 30 and then it's 90. The option A is right for all of it, okay? Now let's do the test questions. So, in the first question, the players on the quiz show received the following scores. Names are given and scores are given. What was the Zach scores? Tell me, everyone in the chat. Tell me in the chat, everyone. How many scores for the Zach? It's 60 scores or it's 50 points. 50 points or 60 points. Check it out, the Zach data. So it's on 60 points, okay? So look at here. For a math project, the Ming recorded many students were wearing t-shirts, polo shirts, sweat sweatshirts, sweaters, or turtleneck. Okay. Types of shirts are given for the girls and the boys. Which bar graph shows the same data? So here are the two graphs showing. First we see the first one and then check. It's 10 and pink shows the girl, yellow shows for the boys. So for the turtleneck, It's 10 and 90. It's it's right for the first one. Second is 80 and 60. This is also right. Third is 90 90. Same. Okay. And for the fourth one is 40 and 30. It's wrong. It's on 10, the fourth one. So it means that the second B part, B graph is right as compared to the first. Okay. Look at this bar graph. The ad receives per capita from the US. And here are the given. Which data is right? Egypt is 30 in 1980 and in 1990 it's 100. First one is right. Second is 40 and 30. It's 40. The first one. That is wrong. Okay. Sri Lanka is wrong. Now for the Sri Lanka, in the second one, when you can see that it's 30 and 40, it's right. Then it's 10 10. This is also right. When the Tunisia is 40 and then 50, this is right. So the part B table is right as compared to the table A. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Now let's do this last questions, okay? You guys tell me the answer. At Family Beach Day, the Princeton Recreation Department after a range of activities. Activities are given, the parents are given, and the childrens are given. What is the answer? Making the sand castle, playing volleyball, swimming, and eating lunch. So first is making sand castle, that is 50 and 10. Playing volleyball, it's 40 and 80. Swimming, it's 30 30, and eating lunch, it's 30 and 90. So check it out, these two, and then tell me the answer. This is the data, and these are the two graphs. First, you check the activities as well as the number of peoples. Okay, it's in the 0 to 100 in the first one, but in the second one, they are choosing the 100, 200, 300, 400, like up to this thing. But in our data, it's only the smaller number, smaller than 100, so that's why we're choosing 10 10 difference. Okay, so the graph A is right and graph B is wrong because here in the y-axis they are choosing the 50, 100, 150, and all that numbers. Okay, I hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions regarding this lesson by yourself. Let's start the last lesson of the day, which is interpret the bar graphs. So here, a machine at the candy factory dispensed different number of the lemon flavored candies into the various bags. Lemon flavored candies per bag. Which range of the lemon flavored candies per bag occurred the least frequently? So in the first one, it's 0 to 4, that is 40. 5 to 9, it's 30. 10 to 14, it's 0. Nothing. 15 to 19, it's on 25. 20 to 24 and 25 to 29, it's 20. So they are saying that the least frequently. So it means that it's 20 to 25 and then it's 25 to 29. Okay. And then they are saying that the scores are Okay, so the least frequent are it's 0, that is 10 to 14. Okay, this is the least. The owner of the plant nursery wrote down the number of roses on each bush. So the number of roses are given 0 to 4, it's 50, 5 to 9, it's 30, 10 to 14, it's 40, 15 to 19, it's 50, 20 to 24, and 25 to 29, it's same, that is 10. Are there more bushes that have 5 to 9 roses or bushes that have 25 to 29? 5 to 9 you can see that it's 30, and 25 to 29 it's on 10. So they are saying, are there more bushes? So which have the more? That is 5 to 9, which is 30, the greater number. And this is the less number, so you can say that it's not more. Vector kept the track of numbers of the characters in each book he read. So number of the characters are given. That is 1 to 5. It's 5 to 9, which is 30, the greater number. I was just checking my mic, okay? So number of characters are given 1 to 5, it's 20, 6 to 10, it's 30, 11 to 15, it's 5, 16 to 20, and 21 to 25, these are same, that is 25, 25. 16 to 30, it's 15, 31 to 35, it's 0, and 36 to 40, it's on 5. How many books are there in all? So, in all, how many books are there in all? So, when you are going to check in all, so put it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total are 8 here. 1 to 5, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the 8 characters that is in all. Now, let's do the test questions. A food magazine published a listing of local restaurant rating. 1 to 10, it's 8. 11 to 20, it's 4. 21 to 30, it's 0. 31 to 40, it's again 8. And 41 to 50, it's 6. How many restaurants were rated? How many total restaurants were rated? It's 25 or 26. I'm going to check this one, okay? Okay, how many restaurants were rated? Number of restaurants which is rated 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, okay? What is the answer for that? I'm not getting this thing. 1 to 10 it's 8, 11 to 20 it's 4, 21 to 30 it's 0, 31 to 40 it's 8 again, and 41 to 50 it's 6, okay? Like 1 to 10 it's 8, then it's 4, 8 plus 4, then 0, then 8, and then 6. We're going to add them all. Let's add it. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Let's go with the 26. Kenny counted the number of peanuts in each bag of the trail mix. Peanuts per bag of the trail mix. Number of peanuts are given 0 to 4, it's 6. 5 to 9, it's 0. And 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, it's same, that is on 10. Now 25 to 29, it's 8. And 30 to 34, it's 2. Are these fewer bags that had 0 to 4 peanuts or bag that had 20 to 24 peanuts? Let's see, 0 to 4 it's 6 and 20 to 24 it's 10. So which one is the fewer? 0 to 4 peanuts or 20 to 24 peanuts? 0 to 4. This is the fewer. The staff of the game show tracked the performance of all the contestants during the past season. Scores are given 0 to 4, it's 2. 5 to 9, it's 10. 10 to 14, it's 6. 15 to 19, it's 10. 20 to 24, it's 4. 25 to 29, it's 2. And 30 to 34, it's 12. How many people scored between 30 and 34 points? So the points is it's 12 or 30. 30, 34, check it out. How many points are there? It's on 12. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So today we discuss the grade 5 maths, and here the chapter name is data and the graph, and here the list of the lesson. Read the table, interpret the line graph, create line graph, and interpret the bar graph. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. So you guys make sure before starting the next session you practice all these lessons, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact the tutors by using this live chat button that is available on the A plus website. Open this, putting your department here, in which department you need help with maths or language, putting your name and then just send. In this way you directly contact with the tutors. So for now, have a great day you all. See you in the next session. Bye.